Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Vermicelli Sweet Bites. This is so easy to make and require only few ingredients. You can make during birthdays, parties or any other festivals, and this is going to be a showstopper. Without further delay, let's get started. These are the ingredients required to make this dish. We need vermicelli, butter, condensed milk and some pistachios. The main ingredient is roasted very thin vermicelli. Use this thin vermicelli and not the thick one. Break the vermicelli into small pieces using your hand. Totally we need 4 cups of roasted vermicelli. The roasted vermicelli is broken into small pieces like this. I have coarsely powdered the pistachios, which I'll be using it for garnishing. Heat a big size kadai and add in 200 grams of butter. Once the butter melts, add in 4 cups of roasted thin vermicelli. Salt it slightly so that it gets mixed with butter. Add in 400 grams of condensed milk. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. This sweet requires only 4 ingredients and tastes delicious. Sort all the ingredients nicely for 5 minutes. Now you could see everything has combined well, and at this stage you can switch off the flame. Immediately we have to shape it to any desired shapes. I'm using this small measuring cup to shape the sweet. This mix is so hot and hence using this spoon to fill the cup. Use any small size mold so that you'll get bite-sized sweet. Press it gently using the spoon and unmold it. We have got this cute little vermicelli bites. Once the vermicelli mix cools down, it will harden. So we have to be too quick in making the sweet into desirable shape. My amma is only making this dish and I'm just helping her. Thin roasted vermicelli will be available in Amazon. You can check there. Garnish the vermicelli bites with the pistachios. Beautiful looking vermicelli bites is ready to be served now. I have made smaller size vermicelli bites using this smaller bowl. First, this sweet will be little soft, but once it cools down, it will harden. Do try this sweet and share me the feedback. If you try this, do not forget to share me the picture through Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. This is my family's recent favorite sweet. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.